Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, let's continue our chatbot tutorial. Okay, I'm so sorry for not posting any more of my videos. I promise I'll make Scratch tutorials and Python projects, and also I'm gonna help you in my new module HTML Python edition. Okay, I ended up making a bug, and oh, here it is. Okay, let's put commas. Don't tell me I'm stupid, because come on, it's a very simple bug, and anyone could end up writing a code that crashes my project, like you. Okay, so let me write a joke. Okay, why did the web dev end up broke? 'Cause he spent all of his domains, I'm so stupid, all of his money on domains. If you think this is a funny joke, write it in the comments. Leave a comment. Okay, let's continue. So let's run this project. We fixed all the bugs and continued our code. First I'll say hello. Hello, how can I assist you today? Wow, very cool. Goodbye. That's it for today. Let me know if there's any more questions. Tell me a joke. Why did the web dev end up broke? 'Cause he spent all his money on domains. Okay, what's next? Yeah. No. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, I want to kill it. This project is my next assassination. I'm just kidding. Okay, so input you. Say what I say. Because I'm a little kid, I forgot. That's repeat after me. Repeat. Stop. After me. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, there and bump. Okay, let's check. Yo. Repeat after me. After. You know what? I'm the worst typer in this whole in all of Morocco. Thanks. Yes. Unexpected. Yeah, I exactly know where it is. And what? Just shut up, Python. Okay. Repeat after meow. Okay, I'm ready. I pissed my pants. Okay, it's funny. I pissed my pants. It's so funny. I mean, this is the last of the year. Tell me if I'm good at laughing, or I'm the worst laugher in the world. Okay, so, the AI talks to you, chats, laughs, and that, but something is missing. AIs are built so they can help you and answer questions, not talk. Let's do that. If And since my AI has to be a Python chatbot, why don't it help you in Python, in simple Python basics like printing that? Okay, watch my tutorial, Python tutorial, and it's in the time I don't know how to speak English. Okay. Wow, I realized something. I'm very good at English today. That's very cool. Maybe I should keep talking, keep speaking English until I'm the best speaker in in my house. Okay. Now prompt is printing in Python or how to print in Python. Python. Also, I have to tell you, I actually type in AZERTY like very fast. This is scratch in my speed. Oh, I accidentally pressed enter then backspace. So one day I will join a typing school, a typing academy, because I'm bad at typing. Print. Just what I said. Just what. Forget it. I just need to learn typing. But I'm good at coding actually. I make lots of games. Okay, stop yapping now. What's the answer? To printing in Python is very easy. You need the print function. No. Did I just... Oh, this? Yeah, this. Okay. Now, what is this? Get that chip out of my eyes. Okay, what's next? You can print strings, int, booleans, lists, and variables. And I forgot that I'm coding, that I'm talking. I'm recording a video. Yeah. Let's continue. Variables and other data types. Okay. So first one, now next. If prompt is equal input in Python, Okay, input or in Python or how to make user input in Python. I swear, if this code doesn't work, I'm jumping off this 4-story building. I'm lying. Okay? I hope I'm not over dramatic in this tutorial because lots of kids are watching my channel, or half of my subscribers are my family members. So, yeah. Let's continue. Okay. Now to make user input in Python. Just kidding, I didn't forget it. I'm just pausing, taking a deep breath and not drinking water because I'm not thirsty. Okay. User input in Python is simple. Since AI makes different answers, different questions, makes different answers all the time. I won't make user input in Python is easy. I'll make it simple. So there's difference between these answers. Okay. You have to use the a function in Python called. I hope this video isn't long because it could be an hour long because I spent most of my time coding, playing, and whatever any kid would do that isn't ordinary, like writing stories and that. Okay, now stop it! Okay, you have to use a function in Python called input. Remember, I need to make a big difference between these two answers, so it looks like AI, called input. Shut up, Python! I wanna code in peace. Okay, continue. Now, called input. Wait! Again, someone broke into my room. Let's continue. Okay, you can use input to ask questions or pause the program. So this is for today. I spent most of my time talking to you than coding. Yeah. Now let's do it. Printing in Python. Why is it in colorful? Oh, they think it's some code. Oh no, how long is this? Printing in Python is very easy. You need the print function. You can print strings, ints, booleans, lists, variables, and other data types. User input in Python is... Wait a sec. Why did it also wrote the other answer? Input in Python. Something is wrong. I'll just try again. This should be normal. Input in Python. Printing again. This video will end with me not fixing a bug. Thanks for watching. Right now I have to make a new tutorial because I've been offline for way too long.